Hey all, this is Tyler or Trevlix on RPGGeek. I'm here to do kind of an unboxing of my 2020 Cthanta Claus gifts that I've gotten over the last couple days from my secret Cthanta. As you can see here, probably hear the cats in the background. We've got three things that were delivered. The first is from Tuesday Night Games. Second is a box from Miniature Market. And then finally, the first one that I received, which was actually kind of heavy, from Noble Knight Games. So we're actually going to start with the smallest one first. So just handle with care. So I'm going to handle it with a lot of care. All right, let's see what we got here. So first thing is in door number one, we have, oh cool, the Mothership Player Survival Guide, the main book for Mothership. This is awesome. This is a great sci-fi horror game that I've been wanting to play for a long time. So thank you, Cthata Claus, for getting me this one. This is very awesome. All right, so that was the smallest one. So let's put this to the side. Next, we're going to go with the one from Miniature Market. This one is a little bit bigger. Let's see what horrors are in store for us from our Cthanta Claus in here. You get a lot of bubble wrap. Oh, I know what this is. Oh, wow. This is very cool. The Alien Destroyer of Worlds box set. It's a campaign for Alien. This is awesome. I've been playing Alien lately. Love this game. Probably one of the best sci-fi horror games to come out this year. So this is very awesome. Thank you very much. This is, I mean, really, this is awesome. Okay, last one. And this one is really heavy. And let me say too that I would have been happy with just, one of these things. My Cthanta Claus really went above and beyond. Way more than he or she, I guess Cthanta Claus, needed to. So, let me open this up. Oh wow, oh wow. Wow, whoa, did not expect this. This is the Delta Green set, which I do not have. The slip box with the handler's guide and the agent handbook. This is pretty amazing. Wow, was not expecting this at all. So, wow. I'm actually kind of speechless on this one. This is very cool. So definitely a horror themed Christmas here. To my Cthanta Claus, whoever you are, thank you. This was really awesome. I was definitely not expecting this. These are amazing. Wow. I mean, to say that I'm speechless, and I really mean it. I've been guessing for like the last week and a half what this could be, and never in my wildest dreams would I have thought it would be this. So thank you very much. I hope to everybody out there that you get something good too, and that your holidays are pretty good. Thanks, everyone.